Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuides. Today I will show you how to create gold text effect in Canva. So let's start. First of all, head on to Canva from your favorite browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Over here, I am in Canva workspace. To create golden effect, go to Elements and search for golden letters and hit enter. Over here, you can see different letters. Now I will choose one of these. Okay, T E C H tech. Now I'll simply resize them. You can see here we have created golden text effect. In this way, we can create golden text effect in Canva. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.